Riding around in your Honda Ridgeline without a tonneau cover? You're missing out on cargo protection, better gas mileage, and a slicker look. Whether you're hauling tools, groceries, or camping gear, an uncovered truck bed means you're just one rainstorm or thief away from trouble. A solid tonneau cover keeps your gear safe, dry, and locked down. In this video, we're breaking down the best tonneau covers for the Honda Ridgeline, based on quality, ease of use, and real-world reviews. And hey, don't forget, all the product links are down in the video description. Let's kick it off with the RealTruck TruXedo Pro X15. This one's clean, low profile, and ready to ride. It fits flush with your bed, giving your Ridgeline a sharp, streamlined look. The matte black woven fabric's built to resist dirt and dust, while staying tight no matter the season, thanks to automatic tension control. It opens with just one finger, rolls up nice and neat, and the whole thing can be pulled off fast if you're hauling bulky gear. No drills needed, and it installs in under 30 minutes. Made in the United States with global materials and backed by a lifetime warranty? That's a hard yes. Next up, the Tyger Auto T3 is a beast when it comes to heavy-duty build. We're talking 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl, aircraft-grade aluminum frames, and stainless steel clamps. This thing's made to last. It's a tri-fold design, so you get full bed access without removing the whole cover. Just flip and go. Folks love the easy install, even with minimal tools, and it only takes about 10 minutes. If your Ridgeline has an over-the-rail bed liner, you'll need to trim it a bit, but it fits clean with an under-the-rail setup. It's tough, budget-friendly, and comes with a limited lifetime warranty just for U.S. customers. At the top of the list is the North Mountain soft roll-up cover. This one's perfect if you're after simplicity and functionality without breaking the bank. It rolls up smooth and straps down for full bed access anytime you need it. The soft vinyl material is durable enough for everyday use, and it keeps the weather out just fine. Installation's a breeze with a clamp-on system, no drill needed, and takes less than 30 minutes. It even comes with all the hardware and instructions, plus a 3-year warranty. It's simple, affordable, and gets the job done. So whether you're looking for premium style, heavy-duty strength, or just a reliable roll-up to protect your gear, there's a tonneau cover on this list that'll fit your Ridgeline and your lifestyle. All the links are in the description below, so hit those up for more info. And if you dig content like this, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. More truck gear reviews coming your way. Catch y'all in the next one.